What if I told you that a monkey typing away randomly could eventually write Hamlet? Intrigued? Let's dive in. This is the infinite monkey theorem, a thought experiment that blends whimsy and profound complexity. Picture this: a monkey hitting keys at random on a typewriter for an infinite amount of time. Statistically, it will almost surely type any given text like the complete works of Shakespeare. But what happens when this randomness meets the digital age? Imagine an AI simulating this theorem, and one day it starts producing coherent messages. Messages that predict events, reveal secrets, or even create entire worlds. This isn't just a quirky idea. It's a gateway to exploring the mind-boggling realms of probability, infinity, and the nature of reality. So next time you see a monkey, remember, within randomness lies the potential for extraordinary order. Stay curious, stay intrigued,